Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python tutorial series. In today's episode, we will be diving into the world of Python data structure. We will explore lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries, discussing their unique feature and how to use each one efficiently. So let's get started. First, let's talk about list. Lists are a versatile, widely used data structure in Python. They are order, mutable, and can store collection of elements. Let's create a simple list and perform some basic operation. For a list, we use square bracket. Then inside a square bracket, we define a data. So apple, banana, cherry, and we can print it. Here it print apple, banana, and cherry. To access an element from a list, let's say I want to access banana, then I have to write one, because in a list we start counting from 0, 0, 1. So to print a banana, we have to write fruit 1 and we get banana. Now let's modify the list. Let's replace the cherry with blueberry. The index of cherry is 0, 1, 2, so I have to write 2. And for this cherry, what we want to write? We want to write blueberry. So write blueberry. Here I forget the quotation. Now let's print this. And here you can see the cherry is now replaced by blueberry. We can also add new element in the list. For that, first we have to write the list name. Then append. And what we want to append? Let's append orange. And the orange is appended in the list. As you can see, lists are quite flexible and easy to work with. You can access, modify, and add elements in a straightforward manner. Our next data structure is tuple. Tuples are similar to lists in a way they are order and they can store a collection of elements. But however, unlike list, tuple are immutable, means their value cannot be changed once the tuple is created. Let's create a tuple and try to modify it. For creating a list, we use square bracket, and for creating a tuple, we use small bracket. We can also access each element. Now let's try to modify the value. As you can see, attempting to modify a tuples element will result an error. Tuples are useful when you need to create order collection of element, and that should not be changed. Now let's talk about set. Set are unordered collection of unique element. They are mutable, but unlike list and tuple, they do not maintain any order. Let's create a set and perform some basic set operation. Here you can see, even though we have a data 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, it only print unique value 1, 2, 3, not a repeated value. Now let's add value. And remove the element. Let's remove 1 and print it. Set are suitable for a situation where you need to maintain a collection of unique element and perform operation like union, intersection and difference. Our least but not our last data structure is dictionary. Dictionary are a collection of key value pair where each key is mapped to a value. They are mutable and unordered. Let's create a dictionary and perform some basic dictionary operation. We can also access each element like we did above. But unlike other, here we have to provide the key. So if I want to access 90, I have to provide LX. And it gives 90. We can also modify the element. Let's say I want to modify the value of Bob to 60. And the Bob grade is updated to 60. We can also add new element. For that, let's say I want to add the grade of Sita. The syntax for adding and modifying is similar. The only difference is if the Sita exists here, her mark will be updated with 60, and if Sita is not here, then she will be added here. Let's say her grade is 70 and print it. Here you can see. Dictionary are perfect situation where you need to associate key with value and perform lookup efficiently. And that's wrap up. Today we cover 4 essential Python data structure: list, tuple, set and dictionaries. Each has its unique feature and use cases. So it's important to choose the right one for your specific needs. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share for more Python tutorial. See you in the next video.